Hey, Sports and Entertainment Marketing. So this is the project that's going to kind of like finish up this unit about brand recognition, the marketing mix, target markets, demographics, needs and wants, market segmentation. It kind of sums up a lot of the things we've been working on. So what I'd like you to do is to find a product from a recognizable brand that has a few different iterations, a few different versions made for different target markets. So my example here is I picked Carhartt work bibs. And this is kind of like the standard thing that you'd think about. Then I have one that are geared towards women. I have one that's geared towards babies, which really the target market there is their parents, right? And then one that's geared more towards snowboarders. It's got a collaboration with Burton snowboarding brand. So the way that I went about this, actually, let me show you the parts of this that you need to have on here first, so I don't forget about that. Let me move this window so you can see a little bit farther down. Okay, so what you're going to want to do here is to do an image search for the product that you're looking for. So for example, I typed in Carhartt snow bibs in Google, and I did an image search right there. So then I'm looking through all of these things, and you'll see a lot of them look similar, but you'll notice that there are some differences in price, in like specifically what they're good for. Like this one's more waterproof than another one. You can see that there's some that are geared towards women. There are some that are geared towards kids. And what you need to do is to take a screenshot of the product that includes the picture of it, where it comes from, like where you can buy it from, and the price, okay? And you're going to want to click on that link. You're going to copy and paste that link onto the page. So you can see at the bottom of each one of these pages, I have the link to the place where you can buy this one. It doesn't matter if you could, like a lot of mine are out of stock right now, but that doesn't really matter. Mostly I just want to be able to see the website that you got it from. You're going to put the product name, like the full detailed, like you can see I put exactly what was written there. Price, place that you can find it at. So this is Field and Stream Shop, but like this one is Wyoming Work Warehouse. These are all the websites you can find these things on. Poshmark is a resale shop. Burton.com is a snowboarding website. So then you're going to write the target market for each one of these things in terms of demographics. So like gender, age, occupation, income level, hobbies, interests, psychographics, geographics, behavior, things like that. That's your target market demographics. Some needs and some wants. And you're going to notice that there are different, even though like these are all Carhartt bibs, there's slightly different needs and wants for each one of these products, okay? And then the other part that you're going to want to do is when we're talking about promotion, remember the marketing mix is product, price, place, and promotion. For promotion, you're going to you're going to copy and paste the product description from the website. So for example, here for this one, this is not a good example for this one. Okay, this is a better example for this one. So like my promotion could be the description here. You'll see on mine, I actually have much better descriptions for some of the websites. When you copy and paste that, use this highlighting tool. You can make it whatever color you want to, but use this highlighting tool to highlight some of the things that make it stand out as this product as opposed to like kind of like the general idea of what the thing is. You'll notice that the descriptors that are used for the different products are pretty striking. There's definitely some different marketing strategies going on for each one. So treat this like a test. Like put some good effort into this. This is going to be worth 40 points, 10 points for each page. You can do it about any product you want to, sports and entertainment related or outdoorsiness related, or you could do a food or a beverage that's kind of marketed in different ways, like Cliff Bar would be a good one to do, or Gatorade would be a good one to do. Certainly, shoes, cleats, leggings, like there's so many things you guys can do this about. So use your creativity, and I look forward to seeing these. Cool. Thanks.